Welcome to Food Fanatix. Add 2 tablespoons vinegar in 1 kg chicken wings and leave it for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, strain the vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon soya sauce, one tablespoon honey, 2 teaspoons garlic, 2 teaspoons ginger, 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1 teaspoon Chinese salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 3 tablespoons tomato ketchup, mix until it's well combined. Add 2 tablespoons chili sauce, add the chicken wings and mix until the marination is on all the chicken. Leave the marination for 1 hour. Grease a tray and place the wings on the tray. Pour the excess marination on top of the wings and bake for 30 minutes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees. For the sauce, heat a fry pan. Add 2 tablespoons soya sauce, 2 tablespoons ketchup, 1 tablespoon garlic, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon sugar. Add the chicken wings and mix until the sauce covers the wings. Add 1 teaspoon crushed chilies, half cup chopped spring onions, and let it cook for 2 minutes.